Mm-hmm. Is there something that comes to your mind right now in terms of strategies you are running, or something you think like even me or any one of our guys should be taking a look at?
Well, now we are, and there are many charts that shows it that altcoins are quite confidently, I would say, that bottomed. Of course, the bottom in the altcoin in this period is always conditioned by what Bitcoin will do. Because again, if the Bitcoin price will skyrocket just like it did in the previous months, the only good strategy is to follow just and accumulate only the coins that are keeping up the pace with Bitcoin, and sell all the others. So another interesting strategy that can be done, for example, is I was looking these days at Chainlink. And Oleg would say,
oh, you're a big fan. You're a big fan of Chainlink.
it's not a news because you always look at the Chainlink. But actually, that was quite good to look at the coin since the starting of the year, because the performance was quite impressive and remarkable. But what's happening here, and this is something that also, from the trading point of view, I think it's very valuable to notice the patterns that are new on a coin respect to what the coin was doing in the past. So in the past, what was the common pattern on Chainlink? There he was building bull flags, so in a downward channel, he was breaking upward. It was quite almost always retesting the upper bound of the channel, and then he was recharging for the next leg up. He did the same here. He did quite the same here, and also here we had something similar. We can see it better on the 4-hour chart. You see, downward channel, retest of the previous high, and then a rebound. What's happening here, and it's very different from the past, is that the price didn't make it to make a new high, and instead is creating a triangle that actually was broke. It was broke actually yesterday, and now it seems like it's trying to retest this level. But this, for me, is already enough to be a warning signal that probably something is changing. I already gained on the coin. So what I would like to do at this point, since we saw that there are so many altcoins that have a different pattern, a bottoming pattern, instead of keep holding this coin, what I would like to do is to sell part of the profit, sell part of the holding that I have on Chainlink to take profit partially on the position, and automatically reinvest in some other coin. So here, for example, we could define the level, the price level of 23,000 Satoshi. So the new rule would become, if let me switch to Binance. So we have, in this case, if Chainlink has a price lower than, we said, 23,000 Satoshi, what I want to do is to sell 20% of my, you see our smart drop down automatically suggests me the coin based on the condition that I set before. I want to sell part of this of this holding, buying 20%. For example, we saw waves before that has a nice pattern. Nice pattern also that it's paired with a nice increase in volume that we saw in the past weeks. So this is also another healthy sign. So I can say I want to sell and buy automatically another coin. This is very important because traders usually always say that they want to set up a stop loss, and they set up the stop loss, but from the theory and reality, sometimes there is some mismatch. So they are tempted to cancel or not sell a position in loss, because at that point, probably from the psychological point of view, they don't know where to reinvest the proceeds from that selling. So this rule provides you automatically the solution to this problem. You are taking away some funds from a losing position, or taking profit from a position that probably has not so much potential for the future, and automatically reinvest in something that you already identified as more promising.